Yo, so you guys know I don't really tend to put my voices in these videos, but this is actually gonna be something a little bit more difficult. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my voice for this video. But today we're gonna go over how to keep track of player data, or user data. So let's just say you want to keep track of a user's tier, their past test, or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go over what you need to do first. So first, go ahead and go to data storage. You need it to make something. So let's say I want to keep track of this player's past tier. Okay, you want to put it to a user. The variable type should be user, and then whatever like type of data you want to collect, such as number, collection, or object. I'm gonna keep it as a text for default value. I'm gonna leave it as blank or no past tier, something like that, just to keep as a placeholder. I'm gonna add the custom variable. So now we'll go to custom commands, make a new one. So let's go ahead and say I want to set, I don't know, the person I select here. Okay, so here's the user. I want to pick, so I'm just gonna put user test, and you want to set it to required. You kind of always want to have your user options to required because you're gonna mostly need them for most commands anyways. So now let's say I want to set the variable of, here we go, let me get that. So it's like kind of weird on mobile. I'm not really used to doing this shit on mobile, but go ahead and connect it. Go ahead and connect it. Yep, there you go. Set variable. What you want to do is that you want to find that variable. So past tier, a user option. You want to go ahead and come up to here. You want to copy what you put in there. And then for the set variable, oh, I am on the wrong thing. My bad. Okay, put that. Oh, this is actually weird to talk about. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the user option there. So now let's just say I want to put his tier. So let's go ahead and make another option to set his tier. So we go to options, and then you go to text. You put tier, past tier. You put it to required because I'm pretty sure for most of the commands you make, you're gonna want to have it required. And I can't seem to really find this one. It's all the way over here for some reason. I don't know why. And I don't know. It's really weird on this mobile shit, bro. I cannot tell where the fuck this, like, I don't know what's happening right now. Right here. This is, like, really fucking confusing. I really can't tell you what's happening right now, but I'm trying to get this closer to the, there we go. So, set it here. So what you want to do is you're going to want to copy this option, and then you're going to want to put it into this value. So now, whenever you do the command, which I really can't, right now, but let's just say set past tier. Sets a user's past tier. I'm just gonna put it as allowed roles as everybody can use the command. But if you wanted to have, banned roles, you can add that. You want to have people to have this required permission to use it, you also add that. But for this video, I'm not gonna do it. So like whenever now, wrong one. Now whenever I run this command, it's gonna set the player or user you selected, and it's gonna give them the tier that you also said. So I mean that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and save that command. Maybe I'll post it. I don't really know why I post that. It's pretty useless, but that's just pretty much a pretty simple way of checking checking or giving a person a set of data to hold. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I can give you a little like example. So like, whenever you want to see a person's past tier in the variable, or you want to see the player, I should probably go back to the command. Yeah, I'm going back to the command. So let me go back to the set past tier. If I go back to set variable, and then I go over here, you don't really put it in here. You put it in the message, but if you just go down slowly, I can't really seem to find it. But let's just go to past tier. You can check the user option or the user ID. So I mean that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. This is really going to be one of the easier sides of this, but yeah, this is pretty much all you're going to need to know if you want to just hold a person's tier as data or something like that. But yeah, that's it.